How to add blur effect in KineMaster. It's very easy, and in few steps you can easily add blur effect. How you can do it is by tapping on the effect button over here at the top right corner. You just tap on it. There you won't find anything, but if you go on layer, tap on it. There you'll see the option of effects. Tap on it. There you'll see shake, flask, basic effects. So over here you will get two different types of blurry effect in basic and basic effects. In basics, you can see there are three types of basic blur effects. Whichever you like, you can add it. And over here at the basic effect, it has a glossy type of effect. Look around, you'll find many more, and some might be in premium as well. So make sure you choose the right one.